Have you ever picked up a tool and thought, where has this been all my life? The right tool doesn't just make a job easier, it saves time, reduces frustration, and helps you get professional results without spending a fortune. Amazon is packed with clever new tools, but finding the ones that are actually worth buying can be a challenge. So, we did the digging for you. In today's video, we're counting down 12 amazing new Amazon tools that every DIY enthusiast, mechanic, woodworker, and homeowner should check out. From smart measuring gadgets to powerful cordless tools and workshop essentials, these picks are designed to make your projects faster, easier, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Let's get started and discover your next toolbox upgrade. HOTO 16 Volt Brushless Power Drill. HOTO 16 Volt Brushless Power Drill proves that a compact drill can still pack serious performance. Priced at around $90, it delivers up to 50 Newton meters of torque with dual speed settings reaching 1,700 revolutions per minute, making everything from furniture assembly to woodworking feel effortless. The standout feature is its smart digital display, which shows torque levels, battery status, and operating modes in real time. Auto-stop technology helps prevent stripped screws, making it beginner-friendly without sacrificing precision. Add the generous accessory kit, USB-C charging, and long-lasting battery, and you've got a sleek, reliable drill that's built for everyday DIY projects and demanding home repairs. WORKPRO Pruning Shears. The WORKPRO electric pruning shears make garden maintenance feel surprisingly effortless. Priced at around $80, these cordless shears feature razor-sharp SK5 steel blades and a powerful brushless motor that slices through branches up to 1 inch, 25 millimeters, with clean, precise cuts. The dual cutting modes let you switch between smaller and larger branches, while the smart LCD display keeps track of battery life and cutting count. Whether you're trimming fruit trees, shrubs, or garden plants, these shears save time, reduce hand fatigue, and deliver professional-looking results. It's a smart upgrade for anyone who spends serious time in the garden. Seika 3 D-Square Ruler. The Seika 3D Square Ruler is one of those inexpensive tools that quickly becomes a workshop favorite. Priced at around $20, it combines measuring, marking, angle checking, and drill bit sizing into one compact tool. Its anodized aluminum body feels solid in the hand, while the laser-engraved 3D scales stay easy to read even after heavy use. The built-in angle pin locks securely at common angles, making layouts faster and more accurate. Whether you're a DIYer or an experienced carpenter, this clever little ruler delivers impressive precision without taking up much space in your toolbox. LEXIVON Torque Wrench. The LEXIVON Torque Wrench is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to get professional level accuracy. Priced at around $45, it's factory calibrated to plus or minus 4% accuracy, and even includes a calibration certificate for added confidence. The hardened chrome vanadium steel construction feels solid, while the electro black finish helps resist rust and wear. Its high contrast dual range scale is easy to read, and the ergonomic knurled handle provides a secure, comfortable grip during long jobs. Whether you're working on cars, motorcycles, or bikes, this torque wrench delivers precise, reliable tightening every time. Work light. A reliable work light can make the difference between guessing and getting the job done right. Priced at around $38, this Ropelux 3200 lumen work light floods your workspace with bright, daylight-like illumination, making it perfect for automotive repairs, woodworking, and late-night DIY projects. Its 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery provides hours of runtime, while the strong magnetic base, hidden hooks, and 360-degree rotating head let you position the light exactly where you need it. With 3 lighting modes, rugged construction, and hands-free convenience, it's an affordable workshop essential that every mechanic or DIY enthusiast will appreciate. Induction Heater. If you've ever spent hours fighting a rusted bolt with a torch, this 1,300 watt induction heater is a game changer. Priced at around $150, it uses high-frequency magnetic induction to heat stubborn nuts and bolts in as little as 25 seconds, without an open flame. The ergonomic non-slip handle and built-in LED light make it comfortable to use, even in tight engine bays. It also includes multiple heating coils for different jobs, making it incredibly versatile. For mechanics, fabricators, or serious DIYers, this tool saves time, improves safety, and turns frustrating repairs into quick, hassle-free fixes. MAXPOWER 3-piece hammer set. The MAXPOWER 3-piece hammer set is a versatile kit that covers almost every striking job you'll encounter. Priced at around $52, it includes a soft face mallet for delicate surfaces and a 5-pound dead blow hammer that delivers powerful, controlled strikes with minimal rebound. Whether you're working on automotive repairs, woodworking, tile installation, or metal shaping, each hammer is designed to get the job done without unnecessary damage. Instead of buying separate tools, this all-in-one set gives you the right hammer for every task. It's a practical, space-saving addition that belongs in every well-equipped toolbox. Fruit Picker Tool. The Fiskars extendable fruit picker tool makes harvesting tall fruit trees safer and much easier. Priced at around $60, its lightweight fiberglass pole extends from 7 to 12 feet, letting you reach high branches without climbing a ladder. The fiber comp tabs gently separate ripe fruit from the branch, while the soft mesh bag catches every piece without bruising it. A secure double locking mechanism keeps the pole stable, and the adjustable head helps you reach awkward angles. Whether you're picking apples, pears, or peaches, this tool turns a tiring chore into a quick and enjoyable task. Fast Digital Angle Finder. The Fast Digital Angle Finder is one of those tools that instantly takes the guesswork out of precise measuring. Priced at around $32, it delivers plus or minus 0.2 degrees accuracy with a crisp digital display that's easy to read in any workshop. Whether you're setting up a miter saw, installing trim, or building cabinets, the built-in miter and bevel calculator helps you achieve perfect compound cuts in seconds. Its durable stainless steel construction, etched ruler markings, and full 360-degree measuring range make it incredibly versatile. For DIYers and professionals alike, it's a simple tool that delivers impressively accurate results. DEWALT Classic Heat Gun. The DEWALT Classic LCD Heat Gun is built for users who need dependable performance on demanding jobs. Priced at around $147, it features an LCD display that lets you fine-tune the temperature in 50-degree increments, giving you precise control for everything from paint removal to heat shrinking and plastic bending. Built-in overload protection helps prevent overheating, while the integrated kickstand keeps the tool stable for hands-free operation. Weighing just 2.3 pounds, it's comfortable to use for extended periods, and the ergonomic grip reduces fatigue. For serious DIYers and professionals, this heat gun is a reliable workshop essential. AVID Power Oscillating Tool. The AVID Power Oscillating Tool is one of those versatile tools you'll reach for again and again. Priced at around $53, it handles cutting, sanding, scraping, polishing, and grout removal with impressive ease. Its 4.5-degree oscillation angle speeds up cutting, while the 6 variable speed settings let you match the power to the job. The quick change accessory system makes swapping blades fast and hassle-free, and the included 13-piece accessory kit means you're ready to work straight out of the box. Whether you're renovating a room or tackling weekend DIY projects, this tool offers outstanding value for the money. Two-way articulating borescope with light. The two-way articulating borescope with light is a must-have tool for anyone who works on vehicles, machinery, or hard-to-reach spaces. Priced at around $95, it features a 210-degree articulating camera that lets you inspect hidden areas without constantly twisting the cable. The 2-megapixel HD camera, 4.3-inch IPS display, and adjustable LED lighting produce sharp, detailed images even in complete darkness. With a 32GB memory card, long-lasting 3000 mAh battery, and slim 6mm probe, It's perfect for diagnosing problems quickly while saving hours of disassembly and guesswork. CRAFTSMAN Ratcheting Screwdriver. The CRAFTSMAN Ratcheting Screwdriver set is the kind of tool that quickly earns a permanent spot in your toolbox. Priced at around $25, it features a smooth ratcheting mechanism with dedicated speed, precision, and torque zones, making everything from quick fixes to tougher fastening jobs feel easier. The kit includes 20 screwdriver bits, 7 nut drivers, a telescoping pickup tool, and a durable carrying case, giving you plenty of versatility for carpentry, electrical work, automotive repairs, and DIY projects. Backed by CRAFTSMAN's full lifetime warranty, it's an excellent value that delivers dependable performance for years. AVID Power Tire Inflator. The AVID Power Tire Inflator is the kind of tool you'll appreciate long before an emergency happens. Priced at around $55, it combines cordless 20-volt battery power with a 12-volt car adapter, so you're never left stranded with a dead battery. The auto shutoff feature takes the guesswork out of inflating, while the 30 liters per minute airflow fills most car tires in just a few minutes. A bright digital display, built-in LED light, and rugged metal construction make it reliable for everyday use. Whether it's your car, bike, or sports gear, this inflator is a dependable roadside companion.